Welcome to Sai Master Academy, continuation of definite integration. Now we are going to discuss areas under covers. Areas. We are going to discuss about areas, how we can find the area of a curve, how we can find the area of a curve. See here. X-axis, y-axis. I am taking on x-axis some values A, B. A is always small, B is always big. I am taking a curve y equal to f of x. Y equal to f of x curve on x-axis x equal to a and y equal x equal to b, or you can take on y-axis also, no problem. Now the area which is making the curve y equal to f of x with x-axis is this. This is the area. How we can find this is this area. Here this is in first quadrant, right? It may be in the fourth quadrant curve. Then this is the area. Okay. Depending on the curve position, we can find the area, but area is always positive, not negative. So it is showing in negative part, but we have to use what? Mod. Then you will get the positive value. Okay, na? Mod of -9 will be +9. So how we can find the area of this curve with x-axis from A to B? Boundaries what? A to B. So that is area is equal to, by using integration, area A is equal to integral A to B y dx, which is equal to integral A to B y equal to what? F of x dx. For example, if the curve is x square, the boundaries are 1 to 2. This is not exactly like this example I am giving you. Then the area is A is equal to integral 1 to 2 x square dx. What is x square? Integration x cube by 3 z 1 to 2. So substitute 1 to 2 first upper limit na 2 cube 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 7 by 3 units, making area with x-axis from A to B. Understand? So this is the process to find the area of a curve with x-axis from lower limit to upper limit. It may be in the positive, in the negative quadrant, whatever it is. If you are in the negative quadrant, just you apply what? Mod. If you will get negative also, it should be positive. Understand? So this is about what? Area of a curve with x-axis. With y-axis also we can find. How it will become? Take on y-axis the limits to some c to d, and the curve will be like this. So this is in terms of x, na? This is in terms of y. X is equal to g of y. Then the area A is equal to this area we are going to find. Then area A is equal to integral c to d x dy, which is equal to integral c to d. X means what? G of y dy. G of y dy. For y dy only, for x dx only. Now take something curve g of y. Substitute here, limits will be given. Find the area. That is the area of the curve with x axis and y axis. Okay. Example. What is the question number? Continuation question number? NIP 55. See. Is asking the area of the curve y equal to f of x is equal to sin x, and the limits given 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi, right? So he's asking this question, very important question. Okay, how we can find the area of the sin x curve? See, sin x and cos x, which are continuous curves. Okay, so he's asking sin x curve area with some boundary, in some boundary. Okay, come to the x and y axis. See, what are the boundaries given? 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi. So we can write the area directly. A is equal to integral 0 to 2 pi sin x dx. But this is wrong. Why, sir? I will show you. See, 0. take somewhere 90 and somewhere after 90 180 and somewhere 180 again 90 270 and somewhere 360 till 360 we required here. Now if you observe, this is 1, this is minus 1, sine 0 0, okay, but sine 90 what? 1, sine 180 what? 0, sine 270 what? Minus 1, again 360 what? 0. Then the curve will be like this, right? So he's asking the shaded part, he's asking this area, he's asking this area, okay. If you observe, 0 to 180 positive, 180 to negative, 180 to 360 negative. That's why you don't do directly 0 to 2 pi integration. But now how it will become? Area A is equal to integral first 0 to 90, 0 to 9, sorry, 0 to 180. Yeah, 0 to 180 positive, right? Sin x dx plus, we should add this plus this, then you will get the final answer. Integral pi to 2 pi, it will become negative, that is what? Minus sin x dx. I gave you two problems like with mod, okay na? So now what is sin x dx? Integral sin x minus cos x, what are the limits? 0 to 180, and this is minus into plus, minus. Now what about the integral sin x again? Minus cos x, minus cos x, but the limits are different, right? Pi to 2 pi. Now substitute the limits. Minus cos pi minus half minus, right? This is upper limit minus lower limit minus cos 0, okay na? Minus of minus cos 360 minus of minus cos 180, that is pi. Any doubt? Now simplification. Cos 180, cos 180 minus 1 మీకు ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది ఇది అంటే డిమోస్ థియరంలో వస్తుంది, ఓకే. సిస్ 180, సిస్ 90, సిస్ 270, సిస్ 0, okay. Now cos 180 is minus 1 minus half minus 1, this is minus into minus plus cos 0 1 minus, this is cos 360. What about cos 360? Cos 360, what is the value of cos 360, man? No, not 0. It is cos 270 plus 90. 270 plus which quadrant? Fourth quadrant, which is nothing but minus. Cos is fourth quadrant, right? No, which is positive. All silver teacups, na? This is right. 270 plus theta, 360. 270 plus 90, right? So here this is teacups. Cos is positive, okay. Cos 360, first of all, minus already there, minus, okay. Cos 360, cos 270 plus 90. So 270 plus 90, which is fourth quadrant, that is positive. So I am not writing minus. This is this minus. And now for 270, it will become sine. So sine 90. What is sine 90? 1. So what is the value of cos 360 plus 1? Cos 360 plus 1. Cos 180 minus 1. Cos 0 plus 1. So ఇది order 0, 180, 360 plus 180 plus 180 plus 180. Okay, right, continue here. This is cos 180 minus 1. So minus into minus, plus into minus, minus 1. So which is equal to minus into minus, plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2. This is minus into minus minus, minus 2. Minus into minus, plus 2, which is equal to what? 4. So this is the area. Understand? 4 units. So how we are finding the area of the curve given under some limits? So this is trigonometry. So except trigonometry, remaining all will be very easy, but I am giving which is very important. So now suppose part 2, that is what? If given y equal to f of x and y equal to g of x are two curves which are intersecting, then how you can find the area of this? See, for example, it may be line or curve, it may be line or curve, both are curves, both are whatever it is, okay. One line, one curve also may be given. I'm taking directly what you know already. I'm taking those ones. Say this is a parabola, y square equal to 4x. This is a line, something, x plus y plus 2, something, whatever it is. So this is first one, this is second one. Let's consider. Okay, now we need to find this area. How we can find this area? There already I gave you the curves. One is f of x, one is g of x. Okay, this is one and this is two. How you can find? See, with the diagram easy to find the area. Without diagram also we can find, we will get correct answer. But with the diagram we will get absolutely exactly answer. Without diagram how we can solve? With diagram how we can solve? I will explain you. But in the question the diagram will not be given. We have to form the diagram. Okay, I think already you know. I think in 10th class, maybe 10th class or 9th class, constructions graph. Did you remember? There will be given two equations. We will take like this: x value, first curve value, second curve value, x equal to 1, y equal to something something, 0 something something, minus 1 something something. Then we can take on the graph the points 1 comma something, 0 comma something, like this we will plot and we will draw like this. So if given the curves or lines, first find the values, point of intersections, draw the diagram, then easy to find. Otherwise you will get the area, but maybe sometimes you will get the negative area. Why? Because what is the value of 1 minus 2? Minus 1. 2 minus 1? 1. So instead of doing big minus small, you maybe do small minus big. Why? Because we don't know without diagram what is big, what is small. So means what is upper, what is lower. Here in this area, the words upper and lower. If you see, this is the upper curve, this is the lower curve. So if you apply 2 minus 1, you will get exactly positive area. If you do 1 minus 2, you will get negative area. That's why we apply mod. Okay, so now come to question, I mean proof. To find this area we need to know first of all the point of intersections. First what we have to know? Point of intersection. That only the boundary. Suppose a x1 comma y1, b x2 comma y2. Compulsory we have to know the boundaries, otherwise we can't find the area, right? You can solve by using x-axis, by using y-axis. Try to solve on x-axis always. Why? Because we solved bold any problems with respect to x, integral something dx, integral something dx, integral something dx. Instead of integral something dy, we done all questions 99% integral something dx only we done. That's why do with x-axis, you can do with y-axis also, you'll get the same area. Area will not change, right? So area A is equal to integral. If you want to take x-axis values, limits will be x1, x2. No, don't take y. That only what I'm telling. X1, x2. So first curve what? F of x. This is second. This is first. Actually, I'm taking directly without diagram. F of x minus g of x. So if you apply this, you will get negative area. If you apply g of x minus f of x, you will get positive area. But in the exam, in the question, the diagram will not be given. Without drawing the diagram, can we solve? Yes, we can solve. How, sir? You can take whatever it is first, whatever it is second. But 1 minus 2, you have to solve. Apply mod. So, solve in modulus only. If you'll get finally minus 7 by 3, right what? If you'll get plus 7 by 3 also, you can get 7 by 3. But with the diagram, if you do g of x minus f of x, directly you will get 7 by 3. Only positive you will get. You will not get negative. That's why if you want to use the diagram, you can solve upper minus lower, upper curve minus lower. If you will not draw the diagram, you go with mod. You will get the correct area. Understand? This is the second type of problems to finding area. I will give one example for this. Yeah, see the question number what? Question number 55, 56. See, what is the question? 56. 56. So that is, find the area enclosed between the curve. Find area enclosed between the curves. The curves are given. Y is equal to x square minus 5x and y is equal to 4 minus 2x. These two are given. Okay, now is asking the area between these two curves. So here we don't know the diagram. With the diagram I will explain, without diagram also I will explain. We don't know the diagram. How we can solve? So, right, first of all, is there given the boundaries? No. So how we can find, sir? Point of intersection of curves only boundaries. So solve these two curves. Let this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now what I am doing? Put 2 in 1. Then it will become what? Y equal to what? 4 minus 2x is equal to x square minus 5x. Take all that side. X square minus 5x plus 2x will be minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. Then factorization. X square minus 4x plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. So you know factorization we completed already. Quadratic equations in 10th class we completed factorization. Okay, now take x common. This is x minus 4 plus 1 common. X minus 4 is equal to 0. What is one value of x is equal to minus 1? One value of x is equal to 4. Boundaries వచ్చేసాయి. Then area A is equal to integral minus 1 to 4. First curve, take your wish. X square minus 5x minus second curve 4 minus 2x into what? Dx. Any doubt? No doubt. Now first expand and find integration. I'm finding z. Integral minus 1 to 4 x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 3x. This is minus 4 into dx. What is x square integration? X cube by 3. 3x integration 3x square by 2. For x square by 2 only na. Minus 4 into 1 dx is what? X. Limits what? Minus 1 to 4. First apply upper limit. 4 cube. 4 cube. 64 by 3. And 4 square. 16. 16 3 ja. 48 by 2. And this is 4 4 ja. Minus 16. This is upper limit. Minus lower limit. Minus 1 cube. Minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 whole square. 1 1 3 ja. Minus 3 by 2. This is minus into minus plus 4. So if you simplify, you will get one answer. That is the final answer. Okay, we will do. See, 2 3 ja. 6 is the LCM, right? 6. This is 64 2 ja. 128. Minus 48 3 ja. 53 ja 150. 150 minus 6 ante 144 144. Yeah. Now this is 3 to ja 6 16 ja 96 minus this is also 6 and minus 2 3 3 ja minus 9 plus 4 6 ja 24. So simplify and 128 144 96. This is negative. Big one negative only. Okay, first of all subtract these two. 144 minus 128. 128 and 230. 130 14 15 16 96 16 90 100 1 1 2 minus 112 by 6 minus here 9 11 24 11 means 13. So this is plus 13 but minus is there na? 13 by 6 which is equal to minus 112 minus 13 by 6 which is equal to minus 1 2 5 by 6, but this is negative. We should get what? That's why what I said, you solve in mod always you will get what? 125 by 6. I will check once, is this correct first of all? Yes. Then how we can solve with the diagram? Right, see, you can solve any one of the method, no need of both. Okay, so that is, see here we have the boundaries. What are the boundaries? Minus 1 4. So I am writing here x values. Minus 1, after that 0, after that 1, after that 2, after that 3, after that 4. Now first curve, what is the first curve? Y equal to x square minus 5x. Substitute minus 1 here. So minus 1 ra. Minus 1 will be 1 plus 5 6. For 0 0. For 1 1 minus 5 minus 4. For 2 2 2 ja 4 5 2 ja 10. 4 minus 10. Minus 6. For 3. 3 3 ja 9. Minus 5 3 ja 15. So 9 minus 15. 1 6. The results again minus 6. Minus 6. For 4. 4 4 ja 16 minus 4 5 ja 20. So 16 minus 20 minus 4. Okay. Now come to one more curve. Let y1, y2. So again first what value minus 1. 4 plus 2. 6. 0. 4 minus 0. 4. Then what is then 1? So 4 minus 2. 2. Then 2. 2 4 ja 8. No, 2 to 4. 4 minus 4. 0. Then again what 3? 4. 2 3 ja 6. 4 minus 6. Minus 2. Then what? 4. So 4. 2 4 ja 8. Minus 4. Okay na? Just see once. మనకు వచ్చిన వాల్యూస్ -1 0 1 2 3 4. This we took, right? So first one here what? 6 0 minus 4 minus 6 minus 6 minus 4 and 6 4 2 0 minus 2 minus 4. This is y1, this is y2, this is x. In lower classes we learned this. Did you remember? No. 10th class graphs, man. I'm writing here this one. Okay, right, see here. First take the graph. Okay, little bit big I will take. On x-axis -1 is very small, 4 is big, so it is enough. On y-axis 6 big and -6 is small, so you need like this. Okay, here this is 0 -1 1 2 3 4 till 4 enough, huh? On y-axis 6 -6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6. Now substitute the values. I mean draw the graph first. If you take x value and first graph, first curve, -1 comma 6, where you will get -1 comma 6? Check where you will get -1 comma 6. -1 comma 6, right? -1 comma 6 here. Then what? 0 comma 0. Then what? 1 comma -4. 1 comma -4. This one, na? So 1 comma -4. Then what? 2 comma -6. So 2 comma -6 here only, na? Then what? 3 comma -6. 3 comma -6 means here only, right? Sorry, this one not here. 2 comma -6 it may be here. 3 comma -6 it will be here. Again 4 comma -4. So 4 comma -4 here. Okay, na? So this is the first curve. I'm drawing the curve. See. Okay. Oh, this is blue, white. చూడండి ఒకసారి. So this is the first curve now. Okay na? This is what? First curve, y equal to x square minus 5x. Now come to the second one. -1 comma 6. Where you will get -1 comma 6? -1 comma 6. -1 comma 6 means same here only, na? Then what? 0 comma 4. This is 0 comma 4. So on x-axis 0, y-axis 4 means here you will get. Okay. Then what? 1 comma 2. See 1 comma 2 here you will get. Then what? 2 comma 0. So 2 comma 0 you will get here. Then what? 3 comma minus 2. So 3 comma minus 2 here you will get. Then what? 4 comma minus 4. So 4 comma minus 4 means here only 4 comma minus 4. Okay? Understand? Join this. You're getting a line. Now he is asking to find what? This area. Can you tell me which is upper one? This one upper one, this one. So upper one is this, lower one is this. But we have to solve what? This minus this actually. But what we did, this minus this we did here. That's why you're getting what here? Negative. Suppose if you do this minus this, you will get what? This minus this. So minus into minus, it will become plus. So instead of writing this, you have to write area A is equal to, the boundary is minus 1 to 4, minus 1 to 4. First write this, 4 minus 2x minus, second write this, x square minus 5x into dx. So if you solve this, minus 1 to 4, 4 only, minus 2x minus 5x minus 7x, so minus into minus plus, that is minus 2x plus 5x will be plus 3x and minus x square into dx. Solve, you will get the answer, which is same answer 125 by 6, but you will get directly positive. This is with diagram, this is without diagram. First what we learn, if given a curve and boundaries on x-axis, that already finished in first diagram, first page. Second, what we learn, if given two curves, two intersecting curves, one curve, one line, or two parabolas, whatever it is. So this is about second. Third one is there, that is long answer model. That is if two curves are intersecting, which are similar curves, similar opposite curves. That is the third one. That in first one, what we done, directly given one curve, we done integration, applied limits. In second one, what we done, 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1 we done. In third one, we have to add both curves areas. So this is long answer model. First I will explain those two very short, then I will come to this one. First I will tell you how we can solve this. Okay, we will discuss this after complete of remaining, first two, then directly this explanation problems. Okay, now come to problems. Open your textbook, page number 305. How many questions we done? 56, 57. 57, this is, you can take as homework, that is example 9. Example 9, find the area enclosed by the curve. What is the curve? Y equal to 3x and y equal to 6x minus x square. Very, very important, which is example. Is there given boundaries? No boundaries given. Okay. How we can find solution? First you have to solve these two, right? Let this is 1 and this is 2. Now 1 and 2, solving 1 and 2, or you can write substitute 1 in 2. Both are same meaning. That is what? 3x is equal to 6x minus x square. Then take this side, x square, 6x, that is minus 3x is equal to 0. Taking x common, x minus 3 is equal to 0. One x value is 0, one x value is 3. Now the area A is equal to 0 to 3. This minus this or this minus this you can do, but apply mod. So I am writing this minus this or this minus, your wish. Okay. Already after solving these two, you are getting what? X square minus 3x. You can use directly that. I am using here x square minus 3x into dx. This minus this I did here. That only I am using here. So if we will get negative, then we will apply mod for all. Otherwise, no need. Or you can apply mod, yours, no problem, no wrong. Which is equal to integral x square, x cube by 3 minus 3 integral x dx, x square by 2. That is 3x square by 2. What are the limits? 0 to 3. First upper limit, 3 cube, 27 by 3. 27 by 3, and this is 3 square and 3, again 27 by 2. See, this is 2 times of 27, 3 times of 27, minus 27 by 6, minus 27 by 6, but it should be positive. That's why, which is equal to 3 7 ja, 3 2 ja, 3 9 ja. Okay, so finally answer what? 9 by 2. Very important question. And one more example, that is example number 6. Example 6 homework. Okay, 58. What is the curve given? Sin x and y equal to cos x. If sin x and cos x intersection, first part area is asking. Okay, y equal to sin x, y equal to cos x, and is telling what, find the area of the curves triangle bounded by curvilinear triangle. Curvilinear triangle area. 57. Tell me 57. That is easy. And moreover, example, that is 57. What is 57? This one. Example 3 also. What is example 3? Find the area of the curve. What is the curve? Y equal to x square and x is equal to x equal to 2. Simple, huh? Homework, this is also integral. Area A is equal to lower limit minus 1, upper limit 2, curve is x square dx, all this. What you will get? That is answer 58. Very short this is. All are very short only. Come to this question number 8. Question number 8. What is the curve? Y square minus 1 is equal to 2x and x is equal to 0. Substitute x equal to 0 here, you will get y values 2. Then solve, you will get answer 59. Tell me 59. 59. Is this finished? 10th question? No. 10th question. Tell me. Curve. ఇప్పుడు అయిపోయింది ఇందాక. y equal to x square minus ఇదే కదా మరి నో అంటామేరా. This one also I gave you homework. Now tell me 11th one. Y is equal to x square and root x. So here how we can solve? Sangeeta, how we can solve this? See, listen carefully. Y is equal to x square, na? More y is equal to root x. Now we have to solve to get the boundaries. X square is equal to root x. X square equal to root x. But to get cancel, squaring on both sides. X power 4 is equal to x. Take x this side. X power 4 minus x is equal to 0. X common, x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. X cube is equal to 1. X is equal to what? 1. So boundaries వచ్చేసాయి కదా 0 to 1. Now take this minus this or this minus this. Before that, y equal to root x. Integration. What about integration of root x? X power 1 by 2, na? 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. What about x square? 3 by 3. After that, apply limit 0 to 1. Okay. This is also example 59. The 60th question. This is lengthy, which is long answer model. And come to 7D, we will discuss that later. 7D, first Roman, there you have 7 questions. Kada? In second Roman, you have 10 questions, right? So totally 16 questions, 17 questions. In these 17, how much you want to practice? I will give you some important questions. Except remaining also you can practice. But all are for practice, remember. You have to know how to solve how to find the area. That is very important. That's why there's that many questions given. The first, second, take third question, homework. Fifth question, homework. Sixth question, homework. All are simple questions, okay? Come to next page, second Roman. All you can practice. Ninth question, very important homework. Remaining 1 to 7 also you can practice. All are similar questions only. All are diagram given curves 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1, whatever it is. Before that, you need to find boundaries. Without boundaries, you can't find. Limits very important. After that, you can apply this minus this or this minus this. If you will get negative answer, from first step onwards, apply mod. If you will get directly positive answer, no need to apply mod. Okay, na? So this is about the areas under the curve. Type 1, type 2 finished. Long answers there in type 2 also. I will give that long answer. Now type 3 that I will explain in the next video. All are long answers only. With the long answers, this definite integration will be definitely finished. Okay. So thank you. Share to maximum. Please watch every video first to last chapter first onwards. If you watch all the videos, then you can understand the concept, understand the solutions. Otherwise, you will not get. Okay. Thank you.